This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Court but Office of District and Session Judge East Kasils District Shillong hakalai tregunaitung arhaja arpusan kalapen ngat Judicial Custody Biang Sakhatsau Sngi yo Vishal Singh Chauhan Akash Rajput but Anand Kurmi yakibala kdau don kti hakabat khat yakajing Uraja Raghuvanshi Latian Bishar yaki Lyngba ka video conference hadien baka Judicial Custody kabala pengat khat sausngi mensua yaki kata menha ka khat khandai tregu jellio araja arpusan laong utushar Chandra ubalam khmat yaka kenhon ki muktiar bomi khmat yaka persecution Katba yaka sonam bat Uraj Singh Kushwaha ki balang ngat khat laisngi ha ka Judicial Custody kin Tian Bishar ha ka sautrek unaitung araja arpusan Lyngba ka video conference
Today the production of Anand, Akash and Bishal were taken place through video conferencing. So they were further remanded for 14 days judicial custody by the Honorable Court.
Okay, three person.
Three person, Anand, Akash and Bishal.
Police did not ask for police custody.
Police custody, you see, if IU require their custody, IU will file a prayer before the Honorable Court. As of now, IU has not prayed. In course of their custody, IU may file a petition for their police custody.
It was done through video conference.
Yes.
So when is Sonam and Raj being similarly?
See, tomorrow, production through VC.
Okay, tomorrow also production will
Yes.
be through VC.
For Raj and Sonam only.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lyngba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya